Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you all are fine there. We are here with the chapter Electronic Spreadsheet Advanced Part 3 under CBSE Code 402. So let's start with the work. Now first slide में I have shown you about how to make use of linking spreadsheet data. Now first of all we have to see how to set up the multiple sheets. Identifying sheets when you open a new spreadsheet by default, it has a sheet named Sheet 1 which is managed using tabs at the bottom of the spreadsheet. आप देखते हो कि whenever you open Office Calc, there are 3 sheets given by default. अगर आप इसका name change करते हो, rename करते हो, then only the name will be changed. Otherwise, the name will remain as Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Sheet 3 and so on. ठीक है? Now, first of all, we have to see how to insert new sheets. There are several ways to insert a new sheet. The first step in all cases is to select the sheet that will be next to the new sheet. ठीक है? Then, do any one of the following. Either you can select Insert Sheet from the menu bar, or you can right click on the tab and select Insert Sheet, or click in an empty space at the end of the line of sheet tabs. Okay? So let's see the next practical work. The next practical work we are just going to see how to set up multiple sheets by inserting new sheets. Now namely जब भी आप ओपन ऑफिस कार्क खोलते हो या फिर एक्सेल फाइल खोलते हो, इट इज़ वेरी क्लियर टू यू कि आपके पास 3 शीट्स बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट होती है, दैट इज़ शीट 1, शीट 2 एंड शीट 3. ठीक है? एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू इंसर्ट मोर शीट्स, हाउ विल you do that? Now to insert more sheets, what you can do is either you can just click from Insert Sheet from the menu bar, or right click on the tab and select Insert Sheet, or click in an empty space at the end of the line of sheet tabs. First of all, we'll go in Insert tab. Insert tab में अगर आप sheet click कर रहे हो, तो it is showing you this dialog box. In this dialog box here it is shown before current sheet or after current sheet. ठीक है? Now let's say if you want to insert after current sheet, आप यहाँ पे click कर दोगे. Just click OK over here. ठीक है? Sheet 1 is sheet 4 is created over here. ठीक है? Then again right click on the tab. Right click कर दो tab पे. Just right click on the tab, you will get this insert sheet button. Again same dialog box you will get. इसमें आप before after करके name of the sheet if you want to write, you can just write the name of the sheet and you can click OK. ठीक है? Then the next one is click in an empty space at the tab. जहाँ पर ये आपको empty space मिलती है tab में, ठीक है? वहाँ पर आप click करके new sheet को create कर सकते हो. ठीक है? So this way you can just get the dialog box and you can just create the sheet again. ठीक है? So we'll go on sheet 1 again. Now sheet 1 में if I'll go, I'll just click here on insert. Insert पे जाके मैंने दोबारा sheet पे click किया. Now here it is asking you in this dialog box कि from file. From file पे आप click करोगे. Then you will just browse it. Browse करोगे तो you will get the files जो आपने already पहले से बना के रखी होगी, सेव करके रखी होगी. Just click on that file. Let's say I'm having this here electronic spreadsheet मेरे पास यहाँ पर पड़ी हुई है. ठीक है? I'll click over there and I'll click OK. ठीक है? So when I'll click OK, I'll get all the files जो मेरे पास electronic spreadsheet में पड़ी थी. Vertiv Tools, CoreSeek, Solver, Sheet 4. ये 4 files मेरे पास यहाँ पर पड़ी हुई है. Now let's say I want the solver file. ठीक है? Solver file को मैंने link कराना. ठीक है? So I'll click on solver file and press on link. ठीक है? Link पे click कर दिया, active कर दिया इसे. I'll click OK. आप देख रहे हो आपकी यहाँ पर आपके पास solver की जो फाइल है वो आ गई है. Now just minimize this. Go in the original solver file. ठीक है? यहाँ पर let's say you want to change this principal amount. आपने 80,000 किया. ठीक है? Save this. Close this. So जब आप close करके इसे open करते हो, it will ask you update all links. You will say yes. ठीक है? The file contain links to other files. Should they be updated? You will say yes. ठीक है? अब आप देख रहे हो कि इंसर्ट शीट में 80,000 अपने आप रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा है. सो दिस इज हाउ वी कैन मेक यूज ऑफ इंसर्ट शीट रिफ्लेक्शन. ठीक है. सो आई होप द टारगेट इज क्लियर टू यू. Then the next thing is renaming the worksheet. In order to rename the worksheet, what you can do is you can double click on any one of the existing worksheet names, right click on an existing worksheet name, then choose rename from the resulting context menu. Select the worksheet you want to rename and then select the sheet option from the format menu. This displays a submenu from which you should select the rename option. Okay? So we are just going to see all these things, how to insert the sheets, how to rename the worksheets in your practical work. So let's start with the practical session. So let's see in the practical session how to rename the sheets. You can rename the sheets either by going in the format option, format tab option. यहाँ पर you have the sheet option. ठीक है. Click on sheet and then click on rename. After you'll click on rename sheet, you will get this dialog box, and when you get this dialog box, you can enter the name of the sheet. By default it is given as sheet 1, and if you want to change it, just give any other name. Let's say you have written here Beena and just click OK. Just see your sheet 1 is saved with the name of Beena. ठीक है. Similarly, go on sheet 2. ठीक है. Go on sheet 2, and if you want to just create this first of all, let's say we have created this sheet. ठीक है. I'll enlarge the font size. So after making use of this, I'll just go here on the sheet tab. Sheet tab पे I'll just click on right click. Right click अगर करूँगी तो I'll get this rename sheet. So when I'll get this rename sheet option, just give any other name over there. Let's say I have given the name Rahul. Click OK. Just see here, 2 sheets are created with the name Beena and Rahul. So this is how you can rename the sheets. Then the next slide is how to make use of creating the reference with the mouse. Now you can also create the reference with the mouse and with the help of keyboard also. So turn by turn we'll just see first of all with the mouse. You have to click the equal icon next to the formula bar, and then you have to switch to the other spreadsheet. The process to do this will vary depending on which operating system you are using. Select the sheet and then the reference cell. Switch back to the original spreadsheet. Click on the green check mark on the formula bar. We are going to do the practical of this one also. Okay? So let's start with the practical of referencing with the mouse. So let's see the next practical. Next practical is referencing data with mouse. Now let's say ये जो आपका खाली कर्सर है, यहाँ पर खाली कॉलम है, सेल है, यहाँ पर आपको कोई डाटा चाहिए. Now what you will do is you will just go in the sheet already you have created the data. Let's say we are going in the solver sheet. ठीक है. यहाँ से आपने ये 900 ये आपको चाहिए यहाँ पर शीट 4 पर. अब कैसे ये रिफ्लेक्ट करना है, we'll just see that thing. First of all put a equal sign over here. ठीक है. इक्वल साइन जब डाल दोगे, जस्ट गो इन द सॉल्वर शीट. सॉल्वर शीट पे जाके जस्ट क्लिक हियर ऑन प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट. लेट्स से हमें ये चाहिए. नाउ हियर यू आर गेटिंग सॉल्वर इज इक्वल टू सॉल्वर डॉट B2. सो व्हेन यू आर गेटिंग दिस ऑप्शन, यहाँ से आपने एक्सेप्ट क्लिक करना. ठीक है. एक्सेप्ट क्लिक किया. जस्ट सी हियर यू हैव गॉट द सेम थिंग. 900 जो पहले आपकी सॉल्वर शीट में था, यू आर गेटिंग द सेम नंबर ओवर हियर इन sheet 4 also. So this is how you make use referencing of data with the help of mouse. Then the next slide is about how to make use of creating the reference with the keyboard. Now the reference has 3 parts: path and file name, sheet name and cell. We are also just going to see this in practical work, how to make use of the reference with the help of keyboard. So let's start with the practical work. So next thing we have to say is that is referencing data with keyboard. Now similar way जैसे हमने mouse से देखा कि mouse से also we can do the referencing. Similarly we can do with the help of the keyboard also. Let's say this is your cell now. You have selected this cell. Let's make a border over here. ठीक है, you have selected this cell and now what you have to do is अपने referencing करनी है data की with the help of keyboard. Just type equal sign over here. After typing equal sign, just see in the right here B3 solver dot B3. ठीक है, click OK, accept कर दो यहाँ से. ठीक है, now just see in solver B3 में you having this rate of interest was 4. So again in sheet 4 also you are getting the same number over here. So this is how you can reflect the data with the help of keyboard also. So this was all about the slides. I hope the target is clear to you. So stay safe, stay healthy and happy learning.